Yo guys, welcome back to another video and an update brought to you by Declan Storms 2. Covering today Tropical Storm Chaba, which formed in the South China Sea earlier on today, became a depression yesterday, and also I'll be doing a triple update today. I'll be doing 5W after this video, and when the next advisory comes out for PTC number 2, if it gets Tropical Storm 20, then I'll be doing an update. So, anyway, as you can see, this is the code, and they are predicting it to be 70 knots, which is about mid-range Category 1 status, which is 80 miles an hour right now. So, this could rapidly intensify because the conditions are there. It had wind shear earlier on today over here and a bit over here, but now that it's moving away from the wind shear, it's going to get into some optical prime conditions that will make the storm favourable, intensify quickly, and all that. Satellite imagery for this system. Satellite imagery. There we go. It looks pretty impressive. If you ask me. There's Hainan. Expect some rain on the Hainan. This is going to probably drop about 16 inches of rainfall on China. So if you're in the zone, if you're in the landfall zone somewhere over here, watch out, because this system could rapidly intensify before hitting landfall. It could change its course, or it could move this way, or it could move this way. Don't know what it would do, but if you live in northern Luzon, make sure you live in the northern Philippines, up here like Luzon, Manila, and all that. Make sure you stay inside, because you can get the impacts from this system. About 12 millimeters of rain, which is 12 meters of rain, which is about 6-7 inches of rainfall. So, in dropping in the Philippines, Taiwan probably will get about 3 to 4 inches of rainfall. China, you'll probably get about 20 inches of rainfall. But it's looking really good on satellite imagery. I will show you the forecast models. So this video is only going to be 5 minutes long. This one. Forecast models. North Atlantic. No, not North Atlantic. West Pacific. Here is the tropical weather bullet. Here's tropical Tibet, and they are hinting of this storm to intend. GFS is hinting of this storm to intensify quite rapidly or explosively. This is Tropical Depression 5W right now. Not going to get named just yet. Probably will get named tomorrow. Don't know what the next name is, but it's got its Philippine name, and obviously it's gonna. GFS is predicting of it looping around. So doing that, then basically GFS wants it to hit northern tip of Hainan as a Category 3, and then move into the Hainan Sea over here, and make a second landfall. So basically, it wants to do this. So come over here like this and do that. So there's a possibility of doing that. And you've got this tropical depression, which on the model ones doesn't really do anything. It gets named, and that's just basically really it. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoy this update on Tropical Storm Chaba. As I say, there'll be a double upload, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, triple upload, should I say. So anyway, hope you guys enjoy this video. Give a like, comment, subscribe and share. Share this with your family and your friends on social media. Really helps out the channel. So anyway, hope you guys enjoy. Stay safe from this system in China and Hainan if you live anywhere in China. And I'll bring you another update tomorrow. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Give a like, comment, subscribe, share, and peace.